In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay Update Payment Method Loop. First, open your iPhone settings, tap your Apple ID, then go to Payment and Shipping, and carefully review all your payment methods, making sure the card you're using is active, verified, and not expired or replaced. Next, update your billing address so it exactly matches what your bank or card issuer has on file, since even small differences can trigger the update loop. If you recently received a new card, remove the old card and add the new one, then set it as your default payment method. Restart your device and make sure it's updated to the latest iOS version to refresh system process and fix potential glitches. If the update payment method message keeps appearing, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Then, check your payment settings again. If the issue still persists, contact Apple support or your card issuer for further assistance. So that's it.